Hello everyone, my name is Anushri, 4th year BE in Information Science and Engineering student at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today's topic of my presentation is Impact of Screen Size and Resolution on User Interface Design from the subject User Interface Design. Impact of Screen Size and Resolution on User Interface Design. In today's diverse digital landscape, users interact with websites and applications across the myriad of devices, each with its own unique screen size and resolutions. These seemingly simple characteristics have profound implications for user interface design, impacting how users perceive and interact with the digital content. This presentation will dwell into the crucial role of screen size and resolution in creating the effective and engaging user experiences. Introduction. The importance of screen size and resolution in user interface design. What is user experience? Screen size and resolution directly impact the visual clarity and usability of UI elements. Small screens with low resolutions can make a text cramped and difficult to read, while large screens with high resolution can offer the opportunity for the detailed and visually engaging designs. Design considerations. Understanding the target audience's device usage is paramount. Websites designed for desktop computers may need to be adapted for mobile devices. Considering the facts like touch interaction and smaller screen real estate, this ensures a seamless experience across the platforms. Screen size resolution. Understanding the screen size and resolution. First is screen size. Refers to the physical dimensions of a screen, that is 34040 into 21.60 or 13220 into 1060. Like that, it refers to the physical dimensions of a screen, typically measured diagonally in inches. Common sizes include 13.3 inches for laptops, 15 inches for desktops, and 5.5 inches for smartphones. Resolution indicates the number of pixels that can be displayed on a screen. Higher resolutions means more pixels, resulting in sharper images and finer detail. Relationship between the screen size, resolution, and pixel density. Pixel density comes at the top of the pyramid, and then we have the resolution. That is, higher resolution means more pixels packed into a smaller area, resulting in a sharper and more detailed image. This is known as a pixel density. Then comes the screen size. In the lower part of the pyramid, the physical size of a screen measured diagonally influences how pixels are distributed and perceived by the user. Layout and responsiveness. Designing for the different screen sizes. So when we consider to design the layout for the different screen sizes, we have the fluid grids, that is, using the flexible grids and relative units, percentages and EMS allows UI elements to adapt to the different screen widths. This ensures that content remains legible and accessible across the devices. Example, a common layout can shrink columns on smaller screens to maintain the optimal readability. That is, a screen which works on a desktop or a laptop should also work on a mobile through the mobile layout, or a laptop or a desktop site layout on a desktop. Then we have the media queries. Media queries allows the developers to define the specific styles for the different screen sizes and orientations. This enables the targeted adjustment for the mobile devices, such as hiding the certain elements or altering the layout to optimize the user experience. Next, we have the typography and readability, that is, optimizing the text for the screen clarity. First of all, we have the font size. Choosing the appropriate font size is crucial for the readability for the user. Smaller screens require the larger font size to ensure text is legible. Conversely, the larger screens require the smaller text, which allows for a more detailed typography, enhancing the user experience. Then we have the line height. Line height is nothing but the vertical spacing between the lines of a text plays a significant role in readability. Increasing the height improves the visual clarity and also it reduces the strain on the eyes of a user, especially on a smaller screens like a mobile phones. Then we have the font family. Font family is nothing but selecting the appropriate font families with a good readability is essential. Sans serif fonts like Arial or Helvetica are typically preferred or Times New Roman for digital screens due to their clear and clean appearance. Control sizes and touch targets ensuring the usability across devices. First we have the touch targets. Touch targets is nothing but the interactive areas of a UI elements need to be large enough to be easily tapped or clicked, especially on a mobile devices. Small touch targets can lead to frustration and accidental taps. Button sizes. Button sizes should be proportional to the screen size. Buttons on a smaller screen should be larger than those on a larger screens to improve the usability and accessibility. Spacing. Adequate spacing between the UI elements is essential for usability and user experience. This ensures users can easily distinguish between the different elements and avoids any accidental taps or clicks. Color contrast. Color and contrast, maintaining the visual appeal and accessibility. First of all, we have the contrast. Contrast is nothing but the color difference between the text and the background which we are seeing on the screen. So then we have in the contrast we have the color palettes, like choosing a particular color palette that provides an adequate contrast between the text and the background is crucial for readability and accessibility. Like selecting a white background with a black text is appropriate one for our readability. So high contrast makes the text easier to read, particularly for users with visual impairments. Like as I already said that the text which is darker than the background may also affect the user's experience because it may also help the users with visual impairments. Color theory. Understanding the color theory is essential for creating an appealing and engaging UI designs. Color choices, emotions influence the user behavior and establish the user experience. Like choosing a blue color for a hospital websites and yellow color for any cafeteria or food restaurants enhances the user experience. So that's what refers to the color theory. Then we have the iconography and illustration, scaling and adapting the visual elements. First we have the vector graphics, that is vector graphics are ideal for scaling and adapting the visual elements. They maintain the clarity and sharpness at any resolution, ensuring the consistency across different devices. Second, we have the responsive images. Instead of static images, we can also use the GIFs or any stickers which are using the responsive images allows for the different image sizes to be displayed depending on the screen size and resolution. This ensures the image loads quickly and also maintains the optimal quality across the devices. Next, we have the iconography. Icons should be designed with a scalability in mind. They should maintain their visual and they must be well scaled down for smaller screens. Case studies are examples of effective UI designs for varied screen size. As you can already see that we have the desktops, laptops, smartphones, their different variant sizes. So this is one of the examples of effective user interface design for various screen size. That's all for this video. Thank you.